truck here, kinda. Yep, and we're in the major storm. My first storm. I'm so happy. Since I don't have enough room, maybe this video might be like, oh my gosh, that much high definition. I guess I'll get back to you guys. Sorry, it's only like 30 seconds, but when we start leaving again.